welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing a little gift guide. So this can be for her, for him, it can be for your parents. I'm just going to do a wide variety of items and things that you can get, just some ideas to give you that I've had over the years, maybe even ideas that I've had this year, just to give you some ideas if you're struggling maybe, and yeah. Now I haven't got the items here with me, but I'm going to move to the side and I'm going to pop them on the screen here, just so then it gives you a bit more of a visual idea of what I'm talking about. So without further ado, let's just get on into the video. Please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Let's get on into the video. Make sure you've got a little cup of coffee, tea or hot chocolate, whatever you like, or maybe even a latte or a cappuccino or anything you like to drink, maybe even a green tea. But yeah, so I've got mine in this little Christmas mug. To be fair, I need to go out and buy some Christmas mugs because my stock's running a little bit low and this one's quite old now. I've seen so many cute ones that you can get nowadays. So that can be our first thing that you could get for a Christmas present. You could get a Christmas mug. There's so many cute ones out at the minute. Primark, TK Maxx, B&M. There's loads of places that you could get them from. So that is a really, really cute stocking filler. Like, I'd be happy to open a little mug on Christmas Day and have my coffees in it because I drink that many. So I have a list on my phone just to give me like the rough ideas that I had, just so then I don't forget. So I'm not going to do it in any particular order. Some of these presents are going to price range from like being quite cheap to them being on the other spectrum of being expensive, but obviously it's totally up to you what you spend on and who you spend it on. I love to spoil my family. So most of my wages go on Christmas. So this month I've been really struggling because I've spent like all my money on my family and my friends, just because I like to get them good Christmas presents, just to show them how much I appreciate them. And obviously it's totally up to you what you spend. No matter how little or big the present is, it's the thought that counts. I'm going to go over some stocking fillers first that you could, like little presents but like nice quirky presents. So like little body sprays, maybe like some nail varnish, just things like that can be individually wrapped and just to fill your stocking up, because that's what I class as stocking fillers. So just little things. Obviously Boots do a 3 for 2 at Christmas, so you could go in there and grab yourself some sets and maybe even take out of the sets and wrap some bits up individually if you've got a few people to do stocking fillers for, because it doesn't really matter, like they're still going to be obviously sealed and brand new. You're just taking it out of the packaging to then wrap up again. Some like fluffy socks, you can't go wrong with fluffy socks. Like chocolate, sweets. So that is really all I have, like stocking fillers, like just the little things that you can pick up and just wrap up and pop in a stocking, which is nice for someone to open. And yeah, there you go. So now moving on to the main Christmas presents. So like presents that could cost a little bit more, or that you're giving to someone as a main Christmas present. Going back onto the Boots 3 for 2, that's quite a good deal. So you could get 3 presents for like 3 different people, and obviously you're only paying for 2. So that is quite good. So you can get smellies like the Sanctuary, Soap and Glory. They sell like jewels. I think NYX do as well. So there's quite a few bits for a wide variety of people. Another thing that you could obviously get someone is some pajamas. I live in pajamas, I love pajamas. So like Primark do some really, really nice pajamas and they are really, really good for the price. I think a pajama set in Primark is like 10 or 12 pounds, and you can get some really, really cute designs. At this time of the year they do themes, so you could get like Mickey Mouse pajamas, Minnie Mouse. They definitely do Harry Potter because I see that so much. So they'll do like Elf, Grinch, like they'll do quite a lot of themed Christmas bit. The pajama section will be ace this time of year. Definitely head over to Primark because they have all little bits in there as well, and obviously Primark is so cheap. So I'm definitely going to be heading over there as soon as I can. This month I haven't managed to do my obviously monthly Primark haul like I promised my channel, but that is purely because I've been wanting to spend my money on obviously my family and my boyfriend and my friends for Christmas rather than buying stuff for myself. So my Primark hauls will be coming back, but they're just on a little bit of a break now because obviously I'm just trying to focus on getting my Christmas presents all sorted. Like I've said previously, there's fluffy socks that you can match with the pajamas. You could do like a little pajama kit. So you could do a set of pajamas, some fluffy socks, and maybe even like a mug with some like hot chocolate mix. That'd be like a really nice like cozy night in. Going on to the more pricier side of things for like parents or anyone really who you want to spend a little bit more on, an Alexa. An Alexa is a little speaker slash like radio station type thing, and you can get many sizes of Alexa now. So you can get like the little Echo Dot, I think it's called. That one is the cheapest one. I don't really know the prices of all these things, but if I find out them, I will put them on the screen somewhere. But yeah, an Alexa is a really, really good present. My family have already got one, so that present is out of the window for me for my family, and Sam has already got one as well. But they are really, really good. It's like concert tickets. If there's any concerts that your parents or your boyfriend or your friends want to go to, sometimes tickets can obviously be very, very pricey depending on who you go to see, but then other tickets like can be quite cheap and reasonable. A few years ago, me and Sam bought my mum and stepdad concert tickets to go and see Ed Sheeran, and the way we handed it to them was, I loved it. So you can just make it fun, like rather than them just sitting there on Christmas Day and opening the present and it just being concert tickets there like laid in front of them. You can make it a bit more fun, which is what me and Sam did. If I can find the video, I will insert the clip here. So we basically got like this little box of little letters, and it was like Scrabble basically, and we made them spell out. We only gave them like a few clues, and they had to try and work out what this like word said. It took them quite a while, don't get me wrong, but it was just so good. I love Hampers. Hampers are just such a nice present. Get a nice little box, a nice little basket, and just fill it with whoever you're buying for's favourite things, maybe cookies, like sweets, chocolates, maybe even like some body sprays, some pajamas, some fluffy socks. So you can just fill it with loads and loads of different things, and it's just all in like this nice little basket. And yeah, I just think it's such a good present. Trainers are always a good present to give, like the old school Vans, they're quite versatile, so you could give it to a boy or a girl, and I think they're quite a nice pair of trainers that anyone would love really. Just like the Nike Air Forces, they're quite versatile as well. Boys and girls can wear them. Obviously this time of year there is sales on as well, so like Black Friday's coming up. Even after Black Friday there's still some good deals. So for boys, maybe things like FIFA points if your boyfriend really loves FIFA. Even girls, like I like playing FIFA with Sam sometimes, don't get me wrong, I play it with him as well. Or even like Xbox Gold or PlayStation Plus, I think it's called. So like getting them the subscription for a year's worth of that maybe. And then the last thing that I've got is jewellery on my list. So you can't go wrong with jewellery. You can go to places like Pandora, and this time of year they have sales on as well. If you look on Not on the High Street, the website, you can get like personalised bits of jewellery, which I've bought a like bracelet for Sam before. I've put his initials on it, so that's a really nice present to have, and I think that was like £30, so not too expensive. So that was the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I hope it gave you some ideas, things that I've obviously used in the past and things that I might be using this year for some of my friends and family as well. So let me know what you think of my new intro down below. I made it all by myself, so I'm quite proud of it. I love doing things like that. I love creating like new intros and doing my little banners and whatnot. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I can't believe how quick my channel is growing, and I'm forever grateful for anyone who clicks that subscribe button. So if you aren't subscribed, please, please, please subscribe. If you have any Christmas video ideas, then make sure you leave them in the comment section below. I have got some planned for this next coming month. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!